Hi everyone. If you've recently blown multiple funded accounts, got emotional, started revenge trading, going from anger, frustration, self-doubt, and now you're questioning whether trading is even for you, then listen carefully, because this message is for you. Every trader goes through this phase. Yes, even profitable traders. The difference is, winners learn faster. Today I'll give you 5 rules from TradesRaja to stop revenge trading and protect your funded accounts. Rule number 1. One flat tire doesn't mean destroy the whole car. If one tire is flat, I don't slash the other 3. If one account blows, your job is to step back, fix the mistake, and reset. But what do most traders do? They double the lot size. Open more accounts. Copy trade everywhere, trying to make it back. Now instead of one flat tire, the whole car is destroyed. Protect what you still have. One loss doesn't mean destroy everything. Repeat that. Rule number 2, stop lying to yourself. Be honest. This loss isn't bad. I'll recover in one scalp. My strategy works, I just need more room. No. That's denial. Denial blows accounts faster than bad entries. Profitable traders don't lie to themselves. They face reality fast, adjust fast, survive longer. Rule number 3, take responsibility. I hear this daily. Market is trash. Price action is nonsense. Manipulation, bro. Okay. If the market is trash, why did you trade it? If you see something bad, and still jump in, that loss isn't the market's fault. It's decision-making. Professionals don't blame charts. They control their participation. Rule number 4, walk away. This is power. 2 moments you must walk away. Bad market conditions. If the market is choppy, consolidating, or unpredictable, no trade equals best trade. Not trading is also a position. 2. After big losses. Because if you don't walk away, your remaining accounts will walk away from you. Even a 2-minute break clears emotions. Step away. Reset. Come back fresh. Real traders protect psychology first, entries second. Rule number 5. Create accountability. Discipline alone is hard. So create consequences. Or tell your trading group, if I break rules, I lose something valuable. Pain creates discipline. Accountability creates consistency. That's how serious traders level up. Trading is not easy. There are no guarantees. But with discipline, patience, and emotional control, funded payouts are possible. If you want to trade with serious traders every day, join TradesRaja livestream at Market Open. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on the charts. Trade smart. Trade disciplined. Trade like Raja. If you have any question, if you want to join me and my premium group, you can send me message on 64757433374. Thank you.